8 Steps to Create a Better Preventive Maintenance Strategy, Part 1. Reactive Maintenance. Reactive maintenance is the mad scramble to fix a machine after it breaks down. It's like firefighters rushing to put out a fire, only there's no truck, or hose, or water. It's also called emergency maintenance, breakdown maintenance, or simply, having no maintenance strategy. Run to fail maintenance. Run to fail maintenance, or RTF, is a deliberate choice to let an asset fail before repairing it. A plan is in place ahead of time so the asset can be fixed or replaced without causing extra delays or costs. It's like letting a light bulb burn out while having a dozen spares and a ladder ready to fix it right away. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is any task that corrects a problem with an asset. We're reserving this type of maintenance for smaller, non-invasive tasks that happen before a machine reaches full failure, like making a fix during a routine inspection. Imagine changing the oil in your car and noticing the tires look a little flat. Pumping up the tires is classic corrective maintenance. Routine maintenance. Routine maintenance is any task done on a planned and ongoing basis to identify and prevent problems. Routine maintenance rarely requires specialized training, skills, or equipment. The daily safety checklists many machine operators complete is an example of routine maintenance.